Power received by the antenna when one antenna is horizontally polarized and the other is vertically polarized is A1, B0, C frac PR PT frac GT GR2 for R2, D frac PR PT frac GT GR2 2 for R2. The correct answer is 0. Let us assume a transmitting antenna having gain 10 dB is placed at a distance of 100 m from the receiving antenna and radiates a power of 5 watts. Find the gain of the receiving antenna in dB when the received power is 150 watts and transmitter frequency 500 MHz. A1.31 dB, B1.19 dB, C11.19 dB, D13.16 dB. The correct answer is 11.19 dB. Find the power received by the receiving antenna if it is placed at a distance of 20 m from the transmitting antenna which is radiating 50 watts power at a frequency 900 MHz and are made up of half-wave dipoles. A 23.65 watts, B 2.365 watts, C 236.5 watts, D 4.73 watts. The correct answer is 236.5 watts. What is the amount of electric field present at a distance of 10 km for an isotropic radiator with radiating power 3 kW? A 30 mVm, B 60 mVm, C 15 mVm, D 10 mVm. The correct answer is 30 mVm. What is the radiation intensity for isotropic antenna having radiation power density frac 3 sin R2 ARW M2, A 3 sin ARW steradian, B 3 cos ARW steradian, C 6 sin ARW steradian, D 6 cos ARW steradian. The correct answer is 3 sin ARW steradian. Find the effective length of a receiving antenna with open circuit voltage 1V and incident electric field 200 mVm. A 0.2 m, B 50 m, C 5 m, D 5 cm. The correct answer is 5 m. In isotropic radiation, which of the following vector component is absent in Poynting vector? A y hat AR, B y hat a theta, C y hat a empty set, D both y hat a theta and y hat a empty set. The correct answer is both y hat a theta and y hat a empty set. If the distance between the transmitting and receiving antenna is decreased by a factor 2 while other factors remain same, then the new power received by the antenna A increases by factor 2, B decreases by factor 2, C increases by factor 4, D decreases by factor 4. The correct answer is increases by factor 4. Assume two similar antennas for transmitting and receiving. If the operating frequency gets reduced by 3 times, then the received power gets A increases by factor 3, B decreases by factor 3, C increases by factor 9, D decreases by factor 9. The correct answer is increases by factor 9. For an isotropic source, radiation intensity will be on and on. A dependent independent, B independent independent, C independent dependent, D dependent dependent. The correct answer is independent independent. An ideal source in which the power is radiated equally in all directions is called as radiator. A isotropic, B omnidirectional, C directional, D transducer. The correct answer is isotropic.